You don't need a mentor as you're starting out your tech journey. So I saw this tweet by Adora, and I really resonate with it a lot because it's actually been a mindset I've had for a very long time, and I've also tried to share it when I have the opportunity to. So most oftentimes when newbies to web development or software in general say they need a mentor, I don't think that's true. They want a mentor, but in terms of growth and you being the world class developer you want to be, I don't think you need a mentor, because anytime I hear that, what I see most often than not is this need to shift the responsibility for your growth to someone else instead of you taking full responsibility for your growth as a web developer or a software engineer. And this is a rule I have in my life, which has really worked for me, is that I take responsibility for my life. Okay, it's very easy to fall into this need of, you know what, I am new here, there's a lot of chaos, I don't know what I'm doing. Let me look for someone, a mentor, to be in charge of it. They'll tell me what to do, they'll want to guide me like ABC. But the chaos, the whole confusion is part of your journey, right? You need to embrace it, and you don't have to shift that responsibility to a mentor. So since I say you don't need a mentor, like, what do you need? What I've found is you need role models. Role models are people that are producing the results that you want in your life in, let's say, 5, 10 years. Okay, so these people, they are busy, of course, they can't be your mentor, but you can learn from them even without having any interaction with them. For example, I've learned from a ton of people over the years, like Sarah Drasner, Mike McNeil, Taylor Otwell, Adam Watham, Caleb Pozio. These people, I don't speak to them frequently, even like it's hardly, most of them, we haven't even had like a Twitter DM or even like a Zoom call ever. But for the space of 5, 6 years, they have influenced me immensely. So this is what I want you to do. Look for role models, people that are producing the fruits that you want to actually produce soon, and then follow them judiciously. I don't mean following them on social media, right? Like, that is one way you could do that. But I mean following them by reading everything they put out there, reading their tweets, listening to their podcast interview, watch their conference talk. Like, I think I've watched and rewatched a ton of conference talk by Taylor Otwell because he inspires me a lot. And this is the thing. Success leaves clue. And the secret of all the successful people that you admire is in their story. So instead of you seeking a one-on-one out of their busy schedule, which is not even fair, what you should do is to consume whatever they put out there. For me, for example, I don't have the time appetite to want to like mentor a lot of people one-on-one. But what I can do is to make sure I share, like I'm doing right now, creating a video like this, so that I leverage YouTube, for example, to potentially mentor or inspire a ton of people. All right. So these people don't have time, right? They are busy. And think about it. If they have the time to mentor every single person that want them to be their mentor, when would they have the time to be as good as they are to actually inspire you for you to need them to be your mentor? Ironic, right? So instead of you seeking out mentors, seek out role models. Have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 10. It doesn't matter. But that's the cool thing of having role models. You have these people. They might be in your immediate environment, or they might not be, but they are just there for you to get inspired by. Like, you study them religiously. I've done that for a long time, and I've seen my growth like just skyrocket exponentially. So that's what I want you to do. You don't need a mentor. You don't need a one-on-one. Say, hey, you're going to be in charge of my growth. You're going to put that burden on them. That's not fair. What you need are role models. And you can have a mentor. It's not a problem. But you saying you need one, it's not true. You don't need it. You want one. But if you take responsibility for your life and have role models, you will see that you're going to grow exponentially. So let me know what you think about this whole mentor role model dynamics. Do you really need one? Do you think you need one? And if you're going to start having role models, could you also leave in the comments the people that are already inspiring you, that you want to study more, now that you know that you don't need them to be like talking to you one-on-one, that you can listen to them, watch their podcasts, watch their conferences, watch their interviews, read anything they put out there. All right. So please like this video and also subscribe. And also, YouTube is going to recommend the video for you to watch. Please watch it. It does help the channel grow a lot. Thank you.